Here we go. Some super quick updates on the closet docket cases. First one is a habeas corpus case, Alien Enemies Act, and it's the DVD versus Department of Homeland Security case. This is where we have a class of people who are not citizens, and they're saying, hey, why are we being sent with their country? And we had a little bit of a hiccup because they tried to send 8 people over to South Sudan. Now, they didn't make it to South Sudan because the judge said, well, there's been no due process, so you need to go and ask questions and fill out some paperwork in order for due process to be met and not be in South Sudan. So they're in Djibouti instead. Now, while they're hanging out there in Djibouti, the court said, well, you guys need to send some people over there to ask these questions. The government was required to file joint status reports on what was going on with getting these 8 people, their attorneys, and these questions answered. So they have filed saying, well, we've got a room that they can go into to talk to their attorneys and can work through Microsoft Teams. And we've set out that they've got the capability of talking on the phone. We've set that out. And then the most recent update is on June 16th here. And they're adding the alien numbers of the aliens in DHS custody in Djibouti and contact information for aliens, including an ICE point of contact who can arrange communications with aliens. So they are saying, well, here you go. Here's some means of getting into contact with your attorneys, because at the end of the day, the court has ordered that these 8 people stuck in transition on the way to South Sudan, but now are in a different place in Africa, need to have some questions asked of them, and they need to answer it in order for due process to be met. So that's the update on the DVD case.